Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Briahna Beauty here, and I know I have been gone for a minute now, but I am back. I took a little break from YouTube just to get like my school schedule situated, and then I had a lot of things going on in my personal life, and so I'm back. I have a whole lot of content coming and ready for you all, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Tell from the title, this video is a unboxing of my Telfar bag. Okay guys, so if you don't know about Telfar, Telfar is a black owned luxury clothing line. It has been selling out. Like, these bags went viral in the midst of the pandemic because they are super cute. Like, they come in all different colors and they're very much affordable, okay? They have bags, they have jewelry, they have belts, they have hats, and I think that might be it. And I think they do have shoes as well. And they have been in existence since 2005 with the smallest bag starting at $150, and then the large bag, like the one I got, was $257, but the bags are quality, okay? This is the box. Okay, y'all, I have been so good. I have not opened it. I haven't peeked at it. Nothing. Like, it got dust. It done been collecting dust, okay? And so, I'm about to open my Telfar box. And I don't know where my box cutter is, but I have some scissors, and I'm just going to open it. And so when I open the box, it comes with my receipt with my information on it. And then okay, just trying to get a thumbnail, but yeah, I'm so excited. This bag is freaking huge. This bag is freaking huge. Okay, so it comes in this clear, like, huge Ziploc bag, and then it has this white duster bag. Super cute. Can you all guess what color bag I got? Drop down in the comments below what bag y'all think I got. And no cheating either. And so, are y'all ready? I can feel it. Y'all ready? Drum roll, please. This bag is beautiful. This bag is so beautiful. Look at this. Y'all. Look at this freaking bag. This is like huge. Like, okay, so comes with this crossbody strap, which is double crossbody strap, and then it has the double strap right here for you to hold it like this. Like, hold on, I have to back up so you can get the whole thing in the frame. I had to back up because y'all need to get this whole bag, okay? This thing is huge. That's better. Look how big this bag is. It's literally yo, Cam, are you good? Okay, so yes, I got the large bubblegum pink bag, and this was originally $257. Well, I got it for $257. And inside this bag, OMG, I can fit my life in here. Like, it has a huge flap right here. Then it also has the pink. It has the pink interior to match the outside. The pink is more hot pink a little bit than the outside. And then inside they have a zipper, which is the length of the freaking bag. Yeah, so this little part right here is really huge. This is like a tote. Well, it is a tote. And like, this could be like your overnight bag. Shoot, this could be my everyday bag. The only thing that I would say about this bag that I wish like it had like something on the bottom to help the bottom keep its shape. Because of it being such a big bag, so much could fit in here, you could easily lose the shape of it. And I would want it to stay like boxy. And it's probably not. I don't know, maybe I can put something down here to like help it keep its shape. But other than that, I really love this freaking bag, okay? So cute. Like, look at this bag. It's so freaking huge. It is so cute. Like, this could be my overnight bag. This could be like your work bag. You can fit your laptop in here. Like, if you plan, I got makeup on it already. Like, you could put like your work bag, you can have your laptop in here, then you can have like your extra pair of shoes if you plan on going out for like drinks or something after work. Extra change of clothes, like everything can fit in this bag. I just wish that it had that bottom like piece to keep the shape of the bag. That is like my only thing, but other than that, yes, this is definitely worth the price, and it's black owned. Like, what? That's even better. And so yes, shout out to Telfar. These bags are bomb, and I will be getting some more. So yeah. Alrighty beauties, that concludes the end of this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you have a Telfar bag, or if you want a Telfar bag, what color and size you plan on getting, okay? I know my next bag, I either want a medium orange or the small pool blue, or even another large one but in black to be like my everyday tote. So you all drop down below what y'all think of this bag. Be sure to stay tuned and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. See you in the next one. Bye. Hips don't lie, 'cause my hips look good. Ow, ow, what, ow, ayy, ayy, ayy. Lit, we lit.